Tired of juggling endless Agile and Scrum certification options? Each one promises career growth, but which actually delivers? The jargon is dizzying, the choices overwhelming. So let's simplify it. Here are 2025's top 5 Agile certifications that truly matter. Whether you are starting your Agile journey or you are a seasoned leader ready to scale enterprise agility, this list has something for everyone. So grab a book and let's help you level up your career. Hello and welcome to NIIT, where innovation meets insight and your growth takes off. So let's get started. Let's kick things off with the Scrum Master certification. So if you are stepping into the world of Agile or transitioning from a traditional project manager role, this is where your journey begins. This course gives you a crash course in confidence. You'll also learn how to lead iteration planning, facilitate team collaboration, and truly understand what it means to be a Scrum Master inside a safe, scaled Agile framework environment. It's not just theory, you'll gain hands on insights into what it takes to guide Agile teams, resolve blockers, and keep the momentum going. Now, if you have already been in the game and want to take it to the next level, enter the SAFE Advanced Scrum Master certification. Well, this one's for the experienced professionals who are ready to elevate their impact. You'll go beyond the basics, dive deep into agile anti-patterns, advanced facilitation, and flow improvement techniques using Kanban and XP. This course is perfect if you are managing multiple agile teams, navigating cross-team dependencies, or coaching in complex delivery environments. You'll also build a sharper coaching lens, learn how to mentor high-performing teams, and drive continuous improvement in real-world, high-pressure situations. So, if you're working in a large organization with multiple Scrum teams, well, this one's a game changer. Certified Less Basics course introduces you to less large scale Scrum, a lean, elegant approach to scaling Agile without piling on bureaucracy. In just 2 days, you'll explore how to coordinate teams across big products while keeping things fast, flat, and flexible. Now let's talk about Lean Portfolio Management Certification, a course which is tailor-made for leaders and strategists. If you're managing budgets or high-level planning, it will teach you how to connect business strategy with execution. Learn the ropes of agile portfolio operations, lean governance, and investment funding models to ensure every initiative stays aligned and delivers value. Well, next up is Product Owner or Product Manager course. Well, this is one of the most sought after certifications in the Agile world today. Over just 2 days, you'll master backlog management, writing great user stories, and driving PI planning. Whether you are defining a product vision or working directly with teams, this course gives you the tools to build exactly what users want. Now, you might be wondering which one's right for you. If you're just starting out, go out for the SAFE Scrum Master or Leading Safe. These lay the foundation and are perfect for beginners. If you're already in the game and want to specialize, explore the Product Owner, and if you are in leadership, the Lean Portfolio Management will set you apart and help you drive transformation at scale. Well, a bonus tip: don't just chase certifications. Choose ones that match your current role and your next career goal. And that's how you get hired and promoted. So, there you have it. The top 5 Agile and Scrum certifications to turbocharge your career in 2025. All available with expert guidance from RPS Consulting, which is a leading provider of training programs on emerging digital technologies. If this video helped you clarify your upscaling roadmap, give it a thumbs up and share it with your colleagues. Also, if you have questions about which certification fits your organization's goals the best, drop them in the comments and we are here to help you make smarter training decisions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on career growth, tech training, and industry trends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.